In today's video, I'm going to show you the food I'm bringing for a 3-day backpacking trip. Hi everyone, my name is Amy Rout. I am packing up for a 3-day backpacking trip, so I figured I would make a video on what food I'm bringing. For lunches, I usually just bring a lot of different snacks. For day one, I'm going to start out with coffee in the morning. These are the Alpine Star Instant Coffees. If you watched my video on choosing the best instant backpacking coffee, these were the winner, and so I'm excited to actually have these on the trail. I'll probably actually have this at the car before we start our hike, but then I have them for day 2 and day 3 as well. I also have a Honey Stinger waffle, a Cliff Shot energy gel with an extra 100 milligrams of caffeine, one of the Nature Valley biscuits with coconut butter. These are so good. All this is good. I like all this, which is why I picked them. A Vermont beef stick barbecue flavor, a Power Bar, tuna packet that is hickory smoked flavor, and then dried cranberries for day 1. I'm going to share this bag with Carson. For day 2, I have basically all the same things. The only things that are different, instead of bringing a Power Bar, I'm going to bring one of these Bobo's lemon poppy seed oat bars. These are so good and they are pretty calorie dense. And then I am also bringing chili lime flavored almonds. If you watched my video on trying new backpacking snacks, that's when I got these. For day 3, again, also almost the same. The things that are different, I am bringing the Honey Stinger Ginseng energy gels. These are pretty good, I love them. And then another Bobo's lemon seed bar. And then I am bringing this apple grainless granola, which was also on my try new backpacking snacks video. And then Carson and I are going to share a baggie of goldfish. And that is it for lunch stuff. For dinners, I use dehydrated meals because I like how they taste and they are also really convenient. They pretty much involve no cleanup at all. I usually have a whole one to myself for dinner, and it's not too little and not too much. For one night, I have a good-to-go kale and white bean stew. For another, I have Backpacker's Pantry Pad Thai. So that about wraps it up. Stay tuned for my next trip video, and I will see you all in the next one. We'll try that. Oh, I have no dogs down here. I wanted to put a dog in my video.
Go get one.
Big girl! Little girl? I wonder if you put him outside.
You might have.